Hi everyone, here we've got an OPPO Reno 5 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings and now let's tap on personalizations. As you can see right in the middle we've got wallpaper, so simply tap on it, and here we've got 3 different albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. We can choose it from the photos, so this is actually our own gallery. We can choose it from static wallpapers, and here we've got some defaultly installed ones, and also from live wallpapers. As you can see here we've got some animated ones. Let me pick something from the static wallpaper, simply tap on it, and as I said, here we've got some options from which we can choose. So in order to check the preview of particular wallpaper, simply tap on it, and as you can see it immediately appears on the full screen. So if you are happy with your choice, just tap on apply here, and right now we can decide where you want to set it. So we can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will pick to this option to all above. And as you can see we just got back to the album with the wallpaper, so let's go back and check. And as you can see it has been immediately applied to the home screen. Let's check the lock screen also, and it is visible right here. So actually that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your OPPO Reno 5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.